Hi everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on getting set up for driving. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of the things that you can do to get set up for driving. It's very important to properly get set up for driving before you start driving. This way you're not fiddling around with everything while you're on the road. Just get yourself set up before you actually start. So the first thing that you want to do is start the car, and I like to call this the start step. Now my car is already started because it's warming up, and I'm filming this video as it warms up. But what you want to do is turn the key to start the car or press the button to start the car. The next thing is seat. Okay, so you want to get your seat set up. Right now my seat is way too far back because I actually just finished filming a video from this perspective over here. This is like a little behind the scenes information here. But I finished filming a video from this perspective over here. So my seat's a little too far back. So what I want to do is bring my seat forward, get into a comfortable driving position. And also I got to just move it back a touch at the bottom just to get it exactly where I want it to be. The next thing that you need to do to get set up for driving is check your mirrors. So you want to get your mirrors set up. If you were the last one driving the car, you can probably just check them, make sure that they're okay. If someone else was driving the car, you're gonna have to adjust them to make sure that they're all set up properly. The next thing that you want to do is adjust your climate control. In this situation right here, the windshield was a little bit foggy before. I turned on the defogger for the front windshield and it started to defog it. You want to adjust your climate control to get the car basically where you want it to be with regards to climate and its settings. I mean, this way you're not fiddling around with it on the road. You can safely adjust your climate control while you're driving and at red lights if you've driven the car for a while and you know where everything is, but I would rather you do it before you start. This way you don't have to worry about it and you can just focus on the road in front of you. The next thing that you want to do is focus on all other driver controls. So for instance, the radio, maybe anything on the steering wheel, maybe if you have an infotainment system over there, you can set it up the way that you want to set it up. You want to get all of your driver controls where they need to be. This way you're not fooling around with them while you're on the road. Lastly, you want to look all around. Before you actually start moving, you want to look all around. You don't want to just put it in drive and start driving. Look at your mirrors, look in front of the car, look beside the car, and also look behind the car. All of that happens before you start driving. It'll take you like 15-20 seconds, and it will increase the level of safety of you starting to drive significantly. Lastly, you put the car in gear and you move it. So if you're going in reverse, put it in reverse. Drive, put it in drive. If you're going in first gear because you're driving a manual car, pop it in first. Whatever the case is, you put it in gear, and at that point you can start to drive. And that's it. This has been a very simple lesson on getting set up for driving. I've gone over a few of the key things that you can do to get yourself set up for a safe driving situation. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.